Good morning to one and all. I am Suresh Kumar from AIDS department. Now I am going to explain introduction about the principles of management. So define managers and management, and then explain what managers will do. Then describe the competency used in the managerial work and access your current competency levels. So first of all, I am going to explain what is management. So management can be defined as a process of getting the work of the task done is required for the achieving the goals of an organization in an efficient and effective manner. The process will imply the functions of the management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Then we will see what is organization. So organization is classified into two types. One is formal and another one is informal. So now the formal and coordinated group of people who individuals acting alone. Then an organization as a structure discussed in the we will see in the next chapter. Then this is the diagram of formal organization. Then characteristics of organization. So the organization structure will have some group of people striving to reach the goals that individual acting alone could not achieve. More people who work together in a structured way to achieve the specific goal or set of goals, that is called organization. Then what is the goal of organization? So the purpose of the organization is to achieve the goal. Okay, so one or more faculty members or one or more employees to achieve the goals is called the goals of the organization. Then the role of the management is to guide the organization towards the goal accomplishment. That is the role of the management. Then what is manager? So the people responsible for directing the efforts aimed at helping the organization to achieve their goals. So a person who is having some skill, okay, we will discuss what are the skills the manager will have, that we will discuss in later. Before that, a person who plans, organizes, directs and controls the allocation of the human, material, financial and information resources in pursuit of the organization goal. That person is called a manager. Then management, again another definition of management, it refers the task of organizing, leading and controlling. Then the process of reaching organized goals by working with individual people or group of people to achieve the goal. That is we will see what is function. A classification referring to a group of similar activities in an organization like marketing or operations. Then functional manager. So the manager is responsible for just one organization activity such as accounting, financial, human resource, sales, marketing, and then what are the departments the company will have. Then what are the focus of the technical areas or expertise, using communication, planning, administration, teamwork. So these are the main focus on the management. Then general manager, the types of the manager, we will see the another type. General manager, he is responsible for the operation of more complex units. For example, a company have many divisions like financial, sales, HR, like that. Then the overseas work of the functional manager, then responsible for all the activities of the units, then need to acquire the strategic and multicultural competencies to guide the organization. So these are the responsible of the managers, the general managers. So this is the basic management functions. Okay, so planning, organizing, leading and controlling. These are the four major functions of the management. Then these are the organization goals. Okay, planning, then controlling, then influencing, organizing. This is the organization goal structure. Then this one is the management and then organizational resources. Here the organizational resources, the people, then raw materials, capital resources. These are the input. Then the process is the working process. Then output is the final and completed products. So planning is involving the task that must be performed to attain the organizational goals, and outlining how the task must be performed and indicating when they should perform. So we will see the planning importance. So the main agenda of the planning is to determining the organizational goals and to reach the managers will plan for the three reasons. One is establish an overall direction for the organization future, then identify and commit the resources to achieving the goals, then decide which task must be done to reach those goals. So these are the main manager plans of the planning. So this is one example of organizational chart. For example, if you take one company, the company will have the product department, marketing and sales, development, production, quality assurance and administrative. So these are the various organizational tasks. So this is the simple definition of organizing. Process of deciding where decision will be made, who will perform what jobs and tasks and who will report to whom in the company. So it includes creating the departments and the job descriptions also. So next one is leading. So leading is the simple definition. It means guiding the activities of the organizational members in appropriate directions. Then the objective is to improve the productivity. That is the main agenda of the leading. Then these are the important functions of the leading. So getting others to perform the necessary task by motivating them to achieve the organizational goals. Then discussed throughout everything in the next chapter. Then controlling is the last one. So the important thing, controlling is gathering the information to that measures recent performance, then compare the present performance to the pre-established standards, then determining the modification to meet the pre-establishment standards. So these are the various management functions we have discussed. Thank you.